This is the Apple Pencil, Generation 2. I'll be unboxing it today, and as always, this is Techno. Now, the only reason I didn't get this sooner when the iPad Pro first released is because I didn't think it would be useful enough for me. But then at WWDC 2019, it proved to have enough new features to be amazingly fast, and what matters most to me, amazingly cool. And so, let's do this. Ready, set. Oh, that's so satisfying. Oh, yes. This is what I've been waiting for. Come here. This is the new Apple Pencil, and this is ASMR. Now let's try this. Where does this open? Oh, yes. And ready? Oh, you are beautiful. Oh my God. Jeez. That was ASMR. If you could feel this, there's nothing like a new Apple product. Nothing. Let's see if the tip snaps off good enough. That was easy. And now, let's test it out. So overall, I would give the pencil a 4 out of 5 star rating. Only because a lot of times with the double tap feature, where you can double tap to switch modes, it wasn't, my hand wasn't on the sensor, and it was only like one specific place, and yeah, I think they should widen that a little. But other than that, it's a really good stylus. And so yeah, sorry I haven't been posting videos for a long time. Please subscribe and leave a like. See you in the next video.